Well, I want to just take a moment to thank General Tate Nadeau. She has been doing amazing service during this emergency. I think all of you have known that. She isn't always on the front lines in front of the camera, but she is always working, honestly. I have spoken with her at all hours of the night and day, and I'm just so very proud to be able to work alongside her during this very difficult pandemic. The director knows better than anyone that you can't wish away a national or a state emergency. We have to respond, we have to prepare, we have to adapt our plans. As much as we'd like it, this virus isn't going away on its own. So we have to take responsibility, we have to take collective and individual action to protect the people that we love. In addition to Illinois Emergency Management Agency Director General Alicia Tate Nadeau and Department of Public Health Director Dr. Ngozi Ezike, I'm here today with Springfield Mayor Jim Langfelder, with Senator Andy Manar, and with Representative Mike Murphy to highlight very concerning trends in our COVID-19 trajectory across the state of Illinois, including right here in our capital city. Information about the spread of COVID-19 in every county is on the IDPH website at dph.illinois.gov/county metrics and on local public health department websites. And I encourage everyone to go and visit those websites and look at the numbers so that you can better understand where we've been, where we're going, and what actions will need to be taken if we don't stop the spread or slow the spread. Under the leadership of Mayor Langfelder, the City of Springfield has taken critical steps to proactively enforce bar and restaurant capacity limits. Following the science and the evidence is the very definition of doing the right thing, and I commend the city for taking these important, decisive actions. But government action isn't the only answer. In fact, it's not enough by itself. We also need all our residents to take this seriously and to protect themselves. Right now, Sangamon County is one of 11 counties at IDPH's COVID-19 warning level. Counties that have recently seen outbreaks at businesses that aren't requiring masks, school graduation parties and social gatherings, people packing into bars, and in long-term care facilities. We've also seen clusters of cases associated with overcrowded restaurants and churches, big sports events, including soccer, golf, and softball tournaments, and an overall rise in cases among those in their late teens and in their 20s. And consistently, we have seen too many of these communities not wearing the most important tool that we have to reduce the spread of COVID-19 by individual action, and that is face coverings. Masks have been mandatory in Illinois since May 1st, and will continue to need them until this pandemic is over. With our COVID-19 infection numbers heading in the wrong direction, especially in certain downstate counties and rural areas of the state, and with greater compliance needed to overcome this health emergency, today I am launching a new mask awareness campaign with a very straightforward tagline: it only works if you wear it. Every day we do things that keep us safe, like buckling a seatbelt or putting on a bicycle helmet. A mask is no different. It only works if you wear it. So always wear a mask when you're out in public to protect yourself and others. Keeping it in your pocket or wearing it just around your neck doesn't work. It's really that simple. It only works if you wear it. I'd like to play for you one of the ads that will be part of this campaign.
Not wearing a mask in public is like not wearing a seatbelt because no one else is.
Or not wearing a life jacket because it's uncomfortable.
Or not wearing a helmet because it's just one play.
Or not putting me in a car seat because they're only going down the block.
A mask is like anything that keeps us safe. It only works if you wear it.
So wear a mask when you're out in public, because we're all safer and stronger when we go all in, Illinois.
So this campaign is going to use nearly every media channel available to communicate this life-saving message to the people of Illinois. You're going to see messaging on broadcast cable and connected TV, streaming audio and radio, billboards, social media, and more, in multiple languages as well. Based on the trends of cases on the county level, we will focus media spend on the cities and counties that have the most work to do. Folks, no one is asking you to wear a mask forever. But for the time being, until we see a very effective treatment or a vaccine, the best way to safely get to the other side of this emergency is for all of us to follow the mitigations recommended by doctors. Wash your hands. Watch your distance. Wear a mask whenever you're out and about. We've made so much progress since the beginning of this pandemic. Let's protect that progress. This is our moment to pull together as families, friends, and neighbors. We're all safer and stronger when we're all in Illinois. Thank you, and now I'd like to turn it over to our IDPH Director, Ngozi Ezike. Thank you. Doctor?